For every girl who was told to stay small, this moment is for you. This box, it's more than fashion. It's a reminder of every step it took to get here. I dreamed of this moment, not just because it's Dior, but because it's a symbol that I'm allowed to take up space, that I'm allowed to glow up. There was a time when things like this felt impossible. Growing up, luxury wasn't just out of reach. It wasn't even spoken about. But now, it's not about the label. It's about becoming the woman that I dreamed of. When I first saw these Dior sneakers, I knew that they weren't just sneakers. They felt like a milestone, like a piece of my dream life coming true. I wanted to style them in ways that reflect the woman that I'm becoming. This look feels like my real personality. Easy, confident, and just a little bit rebellious. Well, depending who you ask. The denim dress keeps it casual, but those Dior sneakers, they make it unforgettable. It's casual luxury without even trying. This outfit is for the days when you own the room. Leather, structure, attitude. But pairing it with the Dior sneaker softens it just enough. It's like telling the world, yeah, I can be fierce and still have fun. And last outfit, the black sleeveless blazer dress. This is my version of effortless power. A tailored dress, cinched to waist, but I didn't want to be predictable with heels. Sneakers with a blazer dress feels bold. It's boss energy, but playful. It's a reminder that you can break the rules and still look expensive. Luxury isn't about being perfect. It's about honoring every version of you that got you here. What's your version of a glow up? Drop it in the comments. And if you love seeing Latina luxury through real eyes, subscribe. This is just the beginning.